Hello, welcome to the holiday vlog. I remember when I used to watch Vlogmas and I loved watching people shop and also decorate for the holidays. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do some shopping and decorating. We're gonna set up not one, but 2 trees, but let's see how much we get done today.
Snowflakes and streetlights and covered trees. Kids like this stuff when it's up to their knees. Time seems to freeze.
We are going to aim to do a Little Woman Christmas where we are going to slice up some orange slices. Wait, rewind. If you don't know what a Little Woman Christmas is, it's when, you know how the girls used to like string up popcorn and cranberries and dry orange slices and hang cinnamon sticks for decor? I want to incorporate some of that with all the Christmas ornaments we already have and decorate. So I've been doing this for over 7 years right now, I think, when oranges weren't that expensive. But we're gonna slice them up and bake them, and while the house smells like Christmas, we're gonna go work on the backdrop right here. The trick to doing these is mixing regular oranges with blood oranges because it gives the nicest tint. I can tell you that this one is going to burn because this is too thin on that side. Imagine how pretty these will look once dried. I'm just going to lay them on aluminum and I'll report back to see if that makes any difference. You can also pat these dry with a paper towel to take out some of the juices and speed up the baking time. Now we have to check in on our oranges, and every half hour you should flip. To be quite honest, I got caught up with decorating the kitchen shelves, so this is at the 1 hour mark. And you know what? It seems to be doing pretty good. Salvageable. Ooh, the ones in the back. They burnt. Look. These ones are cute.
So make the drive, hang up the lights, drink up the chocolate, maybe some wine. 'Tis the season for feeling fine. Forget your problems for once, never be a full time. Snowflakes and bright lights and colored trees. Torn wrapping paper is up to their knees. Time seems to freeze.
Yeah, I don't want to touch.
Merry Christmas.
They're
Merry Christmas.
Okay, we put up the twinkle lights. It took a good 15 minutes to untangle. I'm also gonna put these houses that I shoved twinkle lights in up there for a little village moment. For houses I've been collecting, I get one every year because they're not cheap, but I collect them. So this one was from last year and my other one's on the way. Let's put this one up.
It's the best time of the year.
I want pops of red. I'm gonna try some red ribbon here and see how we feel. I think it needed that pop of red. You can't have a village without trees. So let's deck with trees. Cute, right? How many times have I said cute? Introducing my other collection of what you ask? Mice, of course. So if you didn't know, I had a chef mouse named Gus, and this is his extended family that comes to visit. Look how cute. And again, every year, collect 1 or 2 of these to add. So cute. I have some really funny ones. This is Chardonnay. She's always drunk. Look at her beady eyes falling off. Let's put them in the village. Okay, let's go shopping. Oh. Wait, this fixes your Christmas lights, so you kind of put it into the bulb and then you click it until it turns back on. I kind of want to try it, but should I get the yellow one or the red one? Oh, this is LED and this is regular. Cute. So many cute things. Oh my gosh. That's adorable. All right, peppermint side and gingerbread side. Which side are you? But look how adorable this plate is for no reason. Wait, the houses are cute too. Ah, snow globe candles. I made a DIY like this one year. Okay, the peppermint side, if you're into the peppermint theme, a classic by the way. Here you go. But then this year, Canadian Tire came out with their gingerbread line. Freaking adorable. Oh, I like this actually. Hold on, let me show you. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, I kind of want it. Imagine this for cookies for Santa, but wait till you see the mugs. Oh my gosh, there's 2. Gingerbread. I want it. I like this garland because it drapes so nicely. So I think I'm gonna get 2 sets. This is gonna look so good on a window or even the mantle. Bummer. They're so cute. Let me show you a closer look. Here I collect some mouse from Canadian Tire, and I noticed this year that they're adding personalities to them. Look at this guy. Wait, there's more though. Hold on, let me see if I can hunt them down. There's a chef one. Oh my gosh, it's a pizza one. Oh my gosh. We have it, but there's like a viral thing at Home Depot with a cow for an outdoor thing that lights up, and it's really cute, and it's holding milk and cookies. I'm gonna see if they have it right now. Boo! So cute. The dog has a dog. Like, look at that. It's fuzzy. Where are the ribbons? Doesn't this look so realistic? That's really cute. I love that. Oh, this is cute. I like it, but I like it just for the copper houses. I'm not sure about everything else. Oh wait, you can buy that alone. That's so smart. It's right up here. Right there. This is a good wreath. I feel like that's why I have to come in person so I can touch everything to see if it's good quality. There you go. That's nice. Switch out the bow if you don't like that color scheme. I think I want to do more woodland theme and something with the mice that I've been collecting. I think I finally have enough for a tree. Ah! But she's a little wobbly, but oh my god, it's so cute. Look at this. Letters for Santa. We're gonna do the fireplace installation. I'm going to get those, remember those garland we picked up in Canadian Tire, and it has this really nice drape. I think it'll make for a really nice installation above the fireplace. Think a little droopy. I'll find you an inspo picture and insert it. I was very inspired by Lone Fox Home last year and his fireplace installation, so we're gonna do it the Wendy way. Okay, let's do this. But my least favorite part, fluffing the tree. Let's fast forward this. Ta-da! It is all fluffed up. Okay, I'm insane. This is the second time I'm redoing this tree. I know. But what if we added stars? I think it'll be cute. All right, we got the structure down with twigs because this is what we used for Halloween. And we are reuse, reduce, recycling? I don't know. This entire contraption is essentially held by 3 command hooks and some wire. It has gotten so dark, I had to turn on the family light room, but that's how long these things take. And don't worry, we can't do it all in a day. So I usually separate them by days. Sometimes I'm wearing the same outfit, so you think I did it in one day. I should probably not do that, so you don't think you can accomplish all that, because that's super unreasonable. These are the garlands I was talking about. Let's hang them up. I like that she's really drapey. How shaggy these are. Command hooks are a girl's best friend. Command, please sponsor me. Please. Details like these really pretty gold star garland. I think it's starting to take shape. Let's hang this up. I think I'm gonna stop right here and look at it again in the morning. I've been staring at it for too long, but you know what? It's shaping up. I like that there's way more red in there, and I put some homemade ornaments as well. Like these mushrooms I made quite a few years ago. I wanna say 4 years ago now. So, and then I added more red ribbons. There you go. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and we have just set up Christmas in the nick of time. Happy holidays to those who celebrate, and I will see you next year with more DIY, thrifting, and home decor content. So make sure you subscribe and let me know what you want to see. Thank you so much again for being here, and I will see you next year.